Did you know? Even if your car is driven less or mostly parked, periodic service is essential because your car's fluid, filters and critical components age with time, not just with kilometers. Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today let's talk about why periodic maintenance service is essential for your car. Every car comes with a manufacturer's recommended time and kilometer-based service schedule. Following it keeps your car healthy and helps catch issues early before they become costly repairs. And all of this is backed by expert, certified technicians who follow strict service guidelines and use only Maruti Suzuki genuine parts, so your car gets the care it truly deserves. With your car now in expert care, let's look at why timely periodic maintenance service is crucial. Engine oil ages with time, not just with kilometers. That's why oil and filter changes are recommended every 12 months, even before 10,000 kilometers, to ensure smooth and efficient engine performance. Oil creates a protective layer between moving parts. When it gets old or dirty, engine oil turns highly viscous and dark. Friction increases, leading to rough performance and higher fuel consumption. Similarly, brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, which reduces braking effectiveness. That's why it must be replaced at regular intervals regardless of the kilometers driven. Timely air filter cleaning and replacement help ensure clean airflow and better fuel efficiency. Otherwise, it gets clogged, restricting airflow. Inspecting the steering components and suspension struts at the recommended intervals as per car's owner manual helps improve handling, stability, and overall driving comfort. Apart from these essential checks, many additional inspections are also carried out as part of the service. For a complete list, please refer to your car's owner's manual by using S-Assist feature in Maruti Suzuki app. That's all for today. So visit your nearest Maruti Suzuki Authorized Service Center for periodic maintenance and receive a complimentary vehicle health card, a single comprehensive report that highlights what's working well and what needs attention soon. Have any specific topic you want covered next? Let us know by commenting below. Stay safe, stay informed.